Hi, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making crab salad. If you haven't made this before, crab salad is a great thing to have, even if you're just doing something like a party or you want snacks or something kind of different. You can take this and put it on a cracker, you can put it on a sub bun and have like a seafood salad sub, something to that nature. And it's not hard to make. It only takes a couple minutes, so stick with me. We'll get this done. You're going to need a pound of imitation crab meat. Yes, I said imitation because, well, truthfully, if you tried buying real crab, it's outrageous. Um, with this imitation crab meat, you're going to want to cut it up into very small pieces. I choose to buy the ones that are in the sticks to cut up. You could easily buy the kind that is like the little pieces that are all in one large lump that you break up. It really doesn't matter which you use, it's going to have a similar taste regardless. But whichever you get, like with what I'm doing right here, cut them into small pieces so that way they mix better when you're putting the other ingredients in. So if you're gonna go pick these up, usually the package is around a pound of it. They do have half pound packs, so you need to make sure you grab the right one from the store. I just picked this up at Walmart. It was just a few dollars. It's not very expensive, and the other ingredients that go in it, most times people have this already in their home. I mean, it's easy to mix together. So once you have all of the crab meat cut up, you're going to add to this a fourth a cup of minced onion, a fourth of a cup of minced celery, a half a cup of mayonnaise, to this you're going to add a half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of dill, a fourth of a teaspoon of salt, and a fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper. Once you have everything into your bowl, go ahead and mix it through. It's important that you mix this thoroughly. You do not want to go and bite into a bit of this and get like a clump of salt or something where everything kind of stayed in one place. You want it thoroughly mixed. You want to make sure that everything is coated with the mayonnaise and that you don't see any large amount of any kind of seasoning in one place. It only takes a couple minutes to mix it through. Now, mind you, when you do get this mixed up, before you eat it, you probably need to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. I always do at least a half an hour to chill it because that kind of gives time for the taste to marinate through, because it has this really great taste when it's done properly. So if you look on the screen, you're going to see what it looks like on cracker, and this is really great for a party. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.